Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to do an unboxing. I think this is going to end up being a box inside of a box actually. So I was looking for a new glue gun, and this company, Tilswall, let's see, reached out to me. Yes, Tilswall. And they were offering a cordless driven glue gun, and so, or mortar driven cordless glue gun. So I thought I'd give it a try. And let's go ahead and open this up. You guys know I'm always looking for good glue guns. So it looks like this is our little base for charging. It comes with 10 glue sticks, the charger, which looks like it's a C, and the gun manual. And then here's the glue gun. Oh, it seems quite nice. Let's see if it has any charge in it right now. It does not, but here's where our glue stick is going to go in, and it sits rather nicely. I like that. I like that it's just a little tiny guy. So I'm going to plug this in, and then we're going to give it a shot and make a nice little Dollar Tree DIY. All right, I just want to charge this, and it has a charge here. And then as it's charging, this little ring here turns red. So, but I noticed this as well. You could also plug this right into the bottom, and you'll see that charges red there as well. So we're going to go ahead and let this charge, and I will be back in just a bit. All right, my glue gun seems to be warmed up, and we are going to do a Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to go ahead and use a couple of garden stakes. I'm going to use the one, this one, and then the gnome as well. So all we're going to do on this gnome, it's in that little thing, is you're gonna have to use some force and get that turning, and then pull. It is, you do need to use force, but it does come out. And so we have that little guy, and then on this one you're just going to undo the back here, and then you're gonna undo that. It is stuck. I've already taken this out, but I wanted to show you how to do that. And then we're just gonna pop these right back on, just like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my glue stick because it has turned green. You can see that it's green there. Well, now it turned off. But at that point, you can turn that on. And then we're going to hold this down for 3 seconds. And it is now blinking red, so it is on. I'm going to stick that back on the charge while it heats up. And what we're going to do is, I have some of these extra little beads here from one of the Dollar Tree beads. So I'm just going to take a couple of these out. I'm going to take 5 just to be safe. We'll put back what we don't use. But I also got out a little button, and I've got some of the jute twine as well. And let's go ahead and see if this has heated up yet. Not yet. Okay, I'm learning about this. When it's on, it also has this little thing, and then watch when I push this down, it's automatic, and that glue is going right in there. I'm just pushing that down until I see that glue come out. Woo! And there we go, it's coming out. That was nice and fun, and it did not take very long. So I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna take my little bow, because I tied that jute twine into a bow, and I'm gonna stick that right on here. And be careful not to, well, you know, you do not want to hurt yourself. So, and then I'm gonna take a little bit more glue. Oh, look at, see, I'm learning. When you plug that back into the thing, it restarts itself. So I'm going to take that, and we're going to put that little guy right on here. And what we're doing is 4th of July is coming up. So I'm making these for the summer. And look how cute that is. And then while I have the glue, I'm going to go ahead and give this little guy a bow up on his hat. So we've got that guy there. Adorable. Look how cute he is. And now they match up. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to add these little guys to the back so that they can stand up. So I'm going to take these two here, and we're going to put some glue on here. I do like the noise that this is making. And what I do is I turn this without hurting myself and turn this sideways, because when I want this to stand up, I need to know exactly where it's going. So there's that one. And there's that one. And you see that it stands right up against there. So those are going to stand really nicely. Well, if I had a flat surface, which you cannot see, this will stand on that tray. Ah! That's all right. There we go. I'll have him on a tray, so that'll be filled in with the back as well, but it gives him a little bit of something to stand on. So very cute. I think he's adorable. I'll show you a front-facing picture, and then we're going to do the same with this one. This one's going to be a little bit more difficult. We're going to put them on the edges here, and I'm going to put I'm never used to not having glue like sticking out, so it's a little bit funky for me. So we're going to do the same thing here. just like that. And I think I'm going to glue one to another to give it a little bit more stability. Ooh! And then I'll take another one of these out, because I don't want them to fall. And if you just add one more, or you can use those tumbling blocks as well. And yes, it's going to hold it much better with that second one. So there we go. Those are so cute. You cannot see them at all from the front. Very cute. And so far, I could add another one to that, but it seems to be standing well on his own. So I hope you guys like these. I hope you think they're cute. I will put the link for this Tilswall hot glue gun, cordless. So far, it seems to be working well. And I love that you're not just pushing through. It's actually run by a motor. So that's why it says motor driven. So I'll show you a look at the box again real quick. And I hope you guys are enjoying this little DIY. If so, please give me a big thumbs up. I would appreciate it. It helps my channel. And oh my gosh, let me just show you my button collection. So many buttons. If you guys have ideas for buttons, let me know in the comments below. All right, beauties, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you have a great 4th of July. Have a wonderful day. Bye.